The CraftBot Flow Generation of printers is the newest addition to the CraftBot family. This printer has been designed to maximize your efficiency, and we've added several new features in order to help with that. We've added mesh bed leveling, a uniquely designed printing bed with a flexible top plate, a newer, faster Predator motherboard, an IoT web interface, and much more. Inside this box is the largest plug-and-play 3D IDEX printer available on the market today. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing you'll notice is that the box actually opens from the bottom and not from the top. So after we cut the straps off, we're just going to lift the box right up off of the top and set it aside. Please make sure to keep all of your packing materials except for the straps in case you ever need to move or ship the printer in the future. All right. So we'll take our knife and we're just going to cut these straps off very carefully. All right, let's open it up. Now on the top, you'll see the accessories box. We're just going to set that aside for now. And the top foam will do the same, just set it aside. Now around the edges, you'll find the protective cardboard. And again, we're just going to take that off. And inside, we've got the protective plastic cover to keep out any moisture or dirt. And we'll just lift that right off. We've added cutouts on both sides in order to help you lift the printer onto a table or a stand that has plenty of clearance around it on all sides. So make sure that you have help before lifting. Inside, you'll find a piece of protective cardboard to keep the extruders in place. There's also zip ties on both sides in order to make sure that nothing moves around during transit. So we're just going to cut the zip ties from either side, and that'll allow us to bend the cardboard and pull it out through the front. All right, now let's take a look at what's inside the accessories box. Now, the first thing on the top is your quick start guide, which will help you get started with printing. And because our IDEX printer has two separate heads, you're going to find two sets of filament spool holders, as well as two filament tubes, and two tube holders. Now your quick start guide will give you information about how to attach these to your printer. Now of course, we've also included two sets of filament so that you can get started printing right away. We've also included a set of wrenches in order to help you work on your printer, a pen drive in order to help you load your firmware and move your files around. We've included the USB cables that you'll need with your printer, as well as an AC cable that's appropriate for your region. We've included two sets of nozzles. And lastly, we've also included a new maintenance kit, which will allow you to do all of the maintenance that you need on your printer. Now that we've assembled the printer, the next thing we'll do is update the firmware, and then you'll be ready to print. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful.